Welcome back. In this short video tutorial we will learn how to make a nice and easy crochet heart. You can use a lighter yarn and make a smaller one, but I'm going to use a super bulky yarn. This is Land Brands yarn, wool and thick, and 9mm crochet hook. I start with a magic ring and chain 3. Then I'm going to make 3 treble crochet. And this is my first treble crochet. How to make a treble crochet: yarn over twice, insert the hook in the center and draw the yarn through the center, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook, and one more treble crochet. Now we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, yarn over, insert, pull through 2 and pull through 2, 2 and one more, 3. Make a chain 1 and now 1 treble crochet. Now chain 1 and we are going to repeat the second part. Make 3 double crochet, and 3 treble crochet. First one, second one, and the third one. And now pull the tail. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the center. Then pull the tail tight to close that hole. And make a chain 1. And here you can cut the yarn or leave this loop to hang it, for example, to the Christmas tree or while you're making a present. This is the white one. You can add also this heart to any knitted sweater or scarf as a crochet applique. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and bye.